Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Quail Corner. It's been a pretty busy week for us. Anybody that's been following along will pretty well right away notice that the front face of the enclosure right here is been replaced. It used to be this black mesh that we have down here, and now we have it's I think a 1/4 inch plexi. They've kept it keeps pretty clean. This is the worst it really gets, but a quick wipe with a microfiber cloth takes it off, and then I can polish it and it keeps it clean for a while. But we're pretty happy with it. We can see in there, we can watch them a lot better. They seem to become a little more social having this in there. I'm not sure why, but it worked out. Another big change is we took out the second deck, so anybody that's been following along again will remember that we had a divider going across the top right here, and that was keeping the younger hatch birds, the second hatch if you will, it was keeping them up on the top level while we were keeping the two older birds down below. So since then we've now taken the old male that was in there and put him in an enclosure of his own because he was getting very aggressive with the female. And then we were able to introduce all of the birds that were up on the top deck down with the single female, that one right there. And she essentially just kind of asserted a little bit of dominance and showed everybody, like, I'm the big boss, and it's been very good since. We got, I think that black one there is the male. That happens pretty often. We think we might have one more male, but we also think that we're not sure about that, so we kind of gotta wait and see. So that's Rosie. That's Silver. Blondie. Standard or Normie. And then we got Blackbird and Let down here. So the 6 of them in there. Yeah, they seem to like it. They get along very, very well. And then the 2 birds that we had in the grow out container, the jailbirds, we harvested them so we could have room to put the other birds in, and that's the meat that we got from them. It's been in the freezer. We're gonna save a couple of them, maybe 4 or 6 birds, and then have a little meal out of them. But yeah, we're pretty excited about that. We're gonna bacon wrap them, so that's gonna be a video of its own, from farm to table kind of thing. But we're excited. We're happy about it. We have a whole bunch of eggs. I think we're at 13 or 14 eggs just from the one bird already. Things are going well. We're excited. They're happy, they're healthy, and our first time adventure is going pretty well. Anyways, thanks for watching. Give us a subscribe if you haven't already, and share. It really helps me grow as a content creator. This is my public views video, so this kind of helps me get to my goals for monetization for my channel and stuff like that. So any support is greatly appreciated, but especially on my non-restricted content like this. But anyways, thanks for watching everybody. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.